one from Domino's. First time, try the vegan cheese.
Alright, welcome to the video. This is vegan Subway, vegan Domino's pizza. Just want to show you a bike quickly. You got any questions about bikes? You want to see it turn under? Hit me up in the comment section down below. It is Tour Down Under time. This is a Canyon. And I thought this kimono was pretty cool. It's like a Kinder Surprise look. I thought that was pretty rad. Anyway, let's get to the vegan pizza. Check this out. It's a vegan Subway at Subway Australia. Alright, anyway, just wanted to show you the vegan mozzarella. The vegan mozzarella just landed in Australia. So thanks to Dominos Australia for helping make this video happen. And shout out to the Dominos. I just saw his legs, but Dominos Australia, vegan pizzas. This is the first YouTube video on YouTube. Vegan pizzas, Dominos Australia. This is the vegan cheese. This is the first bite ever on YouTube. First bite ever, vegan pizza, Dominos. History in the making. History in the baking. That's good.
How's that vegan cheese?
That's good.
Good stuff, Dominos.
I like that. Very cheesy. I'm not a good big cheese fan, but that's pretty cheesy. There's another option here. This is really good. This is like a low fat version. Spicy veg trio. It's $5. This is $5. $5 pizzas here in Australia. Fantastic. Dominos Australia. Vegans love you. Keep it going. We got your back. Vegan all the way. And someone said, oh, I wouldn't support Domino's because they don't do full vegan line. And it's like, where do you do shopping from? Coles, Woolworths? I buy from a farmer's market. Well, the farmer's market, they also sell meat and stuff. Where do you buy your petrol from? I make my own petrol. It's like, I mean, so all these people like, don't support fast food giants. It's like, well, how are we going to veganize the planet if we don't support people who make vegan product? You know, if it's vegan, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to support it, I'm going to rate it, I'm going to promote it. All these people being vegan for 2 weeks and become these purists, they don't actually see the bigger picture. They have no personal experience long term. So yeah, just think about it. I'm going to buy from like a wild crafted homemade pizza vegan place that's open 1 hour a week and a vegan pizza costs $50.
Costs like $30 a pizza.
And hey, I've got money, I'll spend that. But it's good to be able to ride through town. We just out on a Saturday night, we're like, let's get some pizzas, man. We hit up Domino's pizza. I'm ordering on my phone.
It's easy and cheap.
It's good, it's done, it's deal. You know? So I want to support Domino's. It's like, where do you do supermarket shopping? You know what I mean? I remember having this debate one time in a supermarket in Coles with a vegan, been vegan for a couple of months or whatever, and talking to me, and they're like, I wouldn't support, Hungry Jacks or whatever. And I'm like, hey, why? Oh, they sell meat. And I'm like, you're shopping in Coles right now. What is that over there? That's the meat section. So yeah, think about it. Make vegan life easy for you, your friends, your family, everyone around you. Be a vegan inspiration versus a vegan irritation. So you go share your comments and questions down below. Tori approves of the vegan pizzas at Domino's Australia. You got your spicy veg trio. You got your veg-rama. And if you do order the vegan ones, just get vegan cheese or no cheese. Your local Domino's Australia can help you out over the phone or online. Check it out now. The app, download the app on your phone. We're gonna get some rest. Carb the fuck up for a good week on Tour Down Under. See you soon.
Carbs, carb the fuck up, motherfuckers. Carb the fuck up. Corn, rice, potatoes, yams, bananas, mangoes, dates, plantains, melons, blueberries, blackberries, mulberries. Get them motherfucking carbohydrates in. Go vegan, motherfuckers. Carb the fuck up, the fuck up, the fuck up.